hand won't really do much.
You've joined us in our local forest today. We've come for a day walk. We're meant to be away this weekend to celebrate my birthday a few days early, but the weather looked crap, and it turns out it ain't too bad. So we've come for a day walk in our local forest. We're going to cook some dinner now.
Not lunch.
Dinner. I'm absolutely starving, so we need to crack on.
Yeah.
Also, another reason to get out today is to stretch the legs of the new rucksack. Well, one of two new rucksacks. Sarah looking very approvingly there.
I don't know if you can see, but Alan has issues. He needs to sort his brain out. He's a shopaholic!
Anyway. There's all our food. Not going to need that just yet. Not sure if we're going to go gas or fuel today, but I've brought both. Of course I have. Sit mat for the lady, or is the lady going to sit on my new seat?
I'd rather sit on your seat.
Brought extreme gas because it was really cold this morning. It's now about 10 degrees. Brand new gas burner. I don't think we need that, do we? The label. Bloody hell. I'm going to need a knife to cut that off. So I might as well use the gas while we're here, seeing as though we brought it. And that goes through there. Hey. So it's nice and snug like that.
Starving.
What?
I'll get to cooking, I'm starving. I'm starving.
You like that, love?
It's quite comfortable actually, yeah. We need two. Oh, she's dirtying his rucksack. Yeah, this chopping board is the biggest load of shit we've had in my life.
You're not impressed?
No. Some of that needs cutting still.
These fancy little buggers. Oh, I've got shrooms as well. Hey. Not much of a talk through today because I'm not very experienced in cooking outdoors in quick, fast situations. But we've put the chicken in, which comes from Iceland, so it's already cooked. Chop the pepper up, and we're just gonna put some of the old El Paso
I've got some shrooms.
roasted red pepper. We have got mushrooms as well, but in this Trangia 27 pan, isn't really enough for 2 people's peppers, chicken and mushrooms. So we're just going to go chicken, peppers, spices, wrap, done.
Cheese.
Oh, and cheese. Can't forget the cheese. Cheese is a kind of meat.
I can't imagine it!
A tasty yellow beef.
That's it.
I milk it from my teat, but I try to be discreet.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese is a kind of meat, a tasty yellow beef. I milk it from my teat, but I try to be discreet. Oh, cheese.
Bit of a messy camp kitchen, but you get the idea. That's quite a lot of spices. Might be too much.
Maybe.
We're selling it to you.
We do things wrong so that you don't have to.
That's it. Oh, it's going to be like Russian roulette for heaters, because there's a few bits that have fell on the floor so far. We don't know which ones they are. They'll be right. But it's good now, doesn't it?
Yeah. Must be an easier way.
These tongs are amazing. Might have made a mistake on those tongs. That pan isn't going to need any cleaning whatsoever. Weather's turned on us. Just got the Gore-Tex back on. The kettle's on. Feet are nice.
Really nice.
One of the reasons we came here today was to hunt out a spot for potential hammock and tarp camping in the near future. We've got plans to buy hammocks and tarps in the next few weeks, and this local forest might be the perfect opportunity for us to do our first trial camp. This exact spot where we found right here could well be ideal for at least one hammock.
Cheers, Petal. Thanks for my dinner.
We use these Sea to Summit X mugs, and while they do collapse down to next to nothing, they don't taste the best. Not liking that at all.
It's hot and it's tea. I'll drink it. It tastes of plastic or shit.
I think titanium might be the way forward.
We've come to our local forest of Delamere today. Been here many times, haven't we?
Been coming here since I was a kid.
But we decided to come off the sort of normal tracks, didn't we, and explore a little bit.
Get a bit off-piste.
Yeah, found a gem of a little spot to stop, have our dinner and a brew. And yeah, we're just going to carry on exploring for a little bit now, aren't we, before it gets dark?
Forest feels like food for the soul.
It does, and like you said, we're 20-25 minutes away from home, and we could be anywhere right now.
Where we're looking right now, you could be in Sweden. Yeah. We know we're not.
And do you know what? We take advantage of this. It's one of them things. Delamere. I want to go Delamere, but actually, when you're here, it's lovely. And for other people that aren't from round here, it is a really nice place, isn't it? There's campsite, Segway, Go Ape.
For me, that's the only downside of the forest. It's quite a big tourist attraction, and that's not a bad thing. What I'm saying is, if you want to come and be miles away from anyone, this isn't the place to be. This, if you pick your spot carefully, this feels like you're miles away from anyone. So you just have to get a little bit off the trail. You feel like you're in the middle of nowhere.
But if you want a fun-filled day out as well, there's lots of activities. Segway, there's loads you can do here. So yeah. So
we're going to go back now. We're going to have a steak restaurant tea tonight, aren't we?
Oh, yeah, I haven't booked that yet.
Best get booking.
So we might not.
There's a real mixture of tree species in this forest. And growing up I always thought it was just a lot of pine trees. There's Scots pines here now, but I'm not very good at my tree species. But I know there's a lot of oak and silver birch amongst many other things as well.
Just show that now with the light on it. It looks like a fairy glen. It's really pretty.
The fall is coming, I can feel it. The breeze brings goosebumps to my